Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial that will teach you how to print a map on QGIS platform. So this is my map already finished that is ready to be printed. So what am I going to do to print this map? So first we have to go to the project. Click the project, then click the new print composer. It will prompt you for you to add a composer title, but if you just leave it blank, the system will generate it for you. We'll just leave it blank and just click OK. So these are the tools that we're going to use. And at this panel, these are the properties of the composer. As you hover the mouse, it will pop up the what kind of icon is this? Just click and make a box. Then there's the map. Move it. Then in here you can see, you can change the scale to make our map bigger or smaller. So we'll try. Then we'll just adjust. Or it will just bigger one. Here in the composition, you can change what type of size of paper you're going to use, the A4, the A3, Lego size. There's a lot in here to choose from. So I'll just select the A4 and I'm going to change the background of this map here, this one, so that it will look nice and not so dry. We'll choose a color. We'll try this or this one, lighter one. Okay, that's it. It's good. You can add a text in here, whatever you want. Let's say the font you can change, make it bigger. Or anything that you put. Then you can add image also, like for example a logo perhaps, or your picture that you're the one who created the map, and so on and so forth, or anything that can describe in this map. So in this one, we'll just put a logo for this municipality. In here, you just click where are we going to use get the logo. So we'll just use this one, municipality of Pantukan. But this is their old logo. Just use it for a sample. You can add also the legend of what are those colors. This legend is from your tables. Automatically, what are the values of your tables? It will automatically place in here. Then let's say this one is the number of sitio. There are 1 to 8 for this barangay, 8 to 15 for this color, and the highest is 57 to 64, just for example. Or maybe in your table it's for number of household, then You can also change it there. For example, here, you can rename it. Um, Automatically in your composer, it will change it also. Okay, so here you can say something about the municipality perhaps, or anything like their slogan or their email address. That, and you can change the font color if you want to. It's up to you how to beautify your map. These data are all examples, it's not real. So that's it. And then you can now print your maps, or you can save it as an image, export. We'll save it as image, a JPEG format, or you can choose any format you want. So just use the JPEG. Or you can save it as a PDF if you want. So I guess that's it. And you'll see the image that we've saved. Okay, that's it. I hope you've learned something and hope you enjoy. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and please do leave some comments. Thank you. Bye.